Heating shouldn't be a luxury, but for many tenants in Wales, it's becoming harder to afford. Tenants are complaining of insulation, draughty windows. The heat isn't just staying in their home. Our latest tenant pulse survey found that 70% tenants are struggling to afford heating. Till last year, it was the older tenants, but this time it's even younger tenants. When it comes to the EPC or the energy performance chart, we also saw a flip, with the younger tenants less aware than the older tenants this time, meaning we need to do more engagement and tell people about the impact and importance of energy performance chart. Among those who had home upgrades, 18% reported of seeing savings. But there was a lot of confusion and a need for better communication and education on what it really means in terms of energy savings and energy consumption. What is something which all the tenants agreed on? 81% tenants said landlords should not raise the rent before making energy efficiency improvements to their home. No one should have to choose between heating and eating. Read the full report and join this conversation.